Good afternoon. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to use rule of exponent to simplify expressions. Okay. I can tell you students have problem understanding exponent. Today I'm going to teach you all techniques that can help you understand exponent. Okay. Before we do that, let me teach you some definitions and some rules. Okay. The first rule is product rule. Product rule is a power m times a power n. When you have something like this, you should write a power m plus n. Okay, so we will add exponent. Okay, multiply the coefficient, add the exponent. That's the first rule. The second rule is product to power. Product to power, and you have the product right here, that's mean a multiplication, and then we have a power, raised to a power. That's mean you have a power m times b power m. You see, the base are not the same, so we call it product to power. And we have also power to power. Power to power, and you have two powers. That's mean a power multiplied by another power. We call it power to power. Okay? And in other words is quotient rule. Quotient rule is a power m and divided by a power n. That's mean when you see quotient, you see a fraction, you see division. Okay? So in only one condition, you have to get a different of 0. A must be different of 0. That means the denominator cannot be 0. Okay? Because if the denominator is 0, we have an undefined case. Undefined case. Okay? So the denominator cannot be 0. Alright? And also m must be greater than n. Okay? You see? This m must be greater than n. Okay, it's for now, because next, when we go deeper, you will see m must be, m should be less than n, but for now, m must be greater than n. Okay, we're gonna start doing some exercise for you in order to help you understand exponent. Okay, pay attention. If you pay attention, you will understand exponent very clear. Okay. First example, you will have, let's do this. Okay, let's do the first example for you. And you will have x power 2, y power 4, 3x. Remember, when you see that, there is no sign right here. No addition sign, no subtraction sign. That means there is a multiplication sign. Okay? So, now we are going to see the like term. As I told you last time, as we can multiply the coefficient, okay, as definition, coefficient is any number in front of a variable, okay. We call it coefficient. But the exponent, this is the power, okay. The power is exponent, okay. So we have a coefficient right here. This is 1. It is invisible. Okay. 1. We can say 1 times 3. That's gonna be 3. Okay. You can write it 3. Remember there is a 1 right here, invisible 1. So it's gonna be 1 plus 2. That's gonna be 3. So x3. So you will have 1 plus 2. That's 3. y4. There is no other y, you can just write y4. Okay, that's it. That's the first example. Very easy. Let's do the second example for you. The second one, the first one. The second example, 2 y2 power 3. So, now, you're not gonna tell 2 power 3 gonna give me like 8. No, that's power to power. Remember I told you that's power to power. So when you have something like this, you're going to multiply n by m. So that's going to be 3 times 2. Okay, so that's going to be negative 2. 2 times 3, that's going to be 6. Okay, that's it. That's it. The answer. Be careful. Do not say 2 power 3. If you say 2 power 2, that's going to be 8. That's not true. That 2 times 3. That's, remember that the formula is power to power. This one, power to power. Okay. Number 3. Do 3 for you. 3 is you will have 3x. Always be careful, always see what you have exactly, and before you start solving, before you start simplifying the expression. Okay, right now you see negative 5x power 3. That means negative 5 raised to 3 also x raised to 3. So you have to be careful. Okay, so let's write this for you. That's gonna be 3 times negative 5, but you can do that first. Do the power first. Okay, do the power first. So the power that's gonna be negative 5 power 3. That's 5 power 3. This will give you negative 125x. Okay, so you can write this down. 3 times, that's gonna give me minus 125x cubed. Remember, okay, cube. Now we do not finish. We're gonna multiply 3 times this. Okay, 3 times 125. Okay, times 3. That's gonna be negative 375. Now remember, you have the power, the exponent, 3 and 2. That's gonna give me x to the 5. Perfect. Okay, first thing you do, you check if the coefficient raised to the power. The coefficient raised to the power, that's negative 5. That means negative 5 times another negative 5 times another negative 5. Okay, that will give you negative 125. Why I have negative number in front of this is because when the number raised to power 3, it will save the negative sign. Okay, it will save the negative sign. You will keep it. You will keep the negative sign. Okay, very nice. So that's number 3. Let's do number 4. Let me wait to do number 4 for you, because we will need more space. Okay. Number 4. Alright, I do number 4. Number 4, that's going to be 14 a to the 5 and b to the 3 divide by 7 a 2 b squared. Okay, now we have a division. That means we have a quotient. Okay, we have quotient. So let me see if I write this rule for you. Okay, this rule. Yes, sure. This rule is right there. We have a power 3 divided by a power n. So when we have the quotient, you need to keep the base. This is the base. Then the exponent on the bottom will go up, then subtract from the top. Okay, so you will see that as example. So the first thing you will do 14 divided by 7. That's going to be 2. Okay, so you have a power 5. You write it down. So as we have a 2, as we have a squared right here, this 2 gonna be up, minus 2. You see, 2 going up, a subtract. When 2 left the bottom and go up, it's gonna convert to a negative 2. Okay, so we have the B right here, B. The same thing, B3. So 2 gonna be up. See, 2 gonna leave and going up is gonna be negative 2. So now look at what we're gonna have. We're gonna have 2a 5 minus 2, that's 3, and 3 minus 2, that's 1. Perfect. That's your answer. Okay. Very nice. Remember, you do the fraction first. You do this first, okay? 14 divided by 7, that's 2. So you have a to the 5. So remember, according to this rule, the 2 on the bottom and left going up. When it's going up, it's subtract. You know, it's subtract from 5. Or you can say, okay, positive 2 going up is gonna be negative. Okay, negative 2. And this 2 going up is gonna be negative 2. So you see that? Very easy. Okay. Let's do on the last one. Last one, number 5. That's gonna be n to the n and 3 to the n over x. Okay, the same thing is gonna be happen because we have the quotient. Okay, the quotient. What we're gonna do? We're gonna write it down, x down, but 2 gonna leave and go up. When 2 going up is gonna convert to a negative 2. When 4 going up, it's gonna convert to negative 4. Okay, just write this down first. And okay, 2 gonna be up. This 2, it's gonna be up. That's gonna be negative 2. Okay. Why? Okay. Now 3n. So remember, this 4 going up, that's gonna be negative 4. Perfect. Then you're done. Finish. Okay. That's all right. That's not difficult if you follow the rules. Remember, you need to follow the rules in order to be very good in exponent, because all about rules. Okay, that's why we call it rules of exponent. Okay, very nice, very nice. If you have any questions about how to simplify expressions using rules of exponent, okay, just go to my website and then you will find everything. You will find everything. Okay, just type Nunez map and then you will be all right. No problem. Do not forget to share my videos. Okay, another video will come up. Coming up because we will teach you when the exponent is negative. Okay, I'm gonna teach you another video about when the exponent is negative. If you look at this, you don't have any negative exponent, but I'm gonna teach you in another video. Thank you very much. Do not forget to share my videos. Thank you.